like, and share. Hello, little farmers, come along today. Let's ride the happy tractor and learn while we play. Early in the morning light, sun is shining warm and bright. On the farm the rooster sings. Wake up, friends, hear the tractor ring. A big red tractor starts to go, rolling slowly, nice and slow. Vroom, 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 it hums with pride. Come, little kids, let's take a ride. Past the barn and through the fields, golden corn and wheat it yields. Happy cows say moo, moo, moo. Good morning, farmer, how are you? Little chicks go cheep, 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 running fast with tiny feet. Ducks splash gently in the pond, waddling happily beyond. The tractor plows the soil so neat, making rows for seeds to meet. Pumpkins grow both round and bright, carrots hide just out of sight. The farmer waves his friendly hand. Welcome, kids, to my green land. Apples grow upon the tree, sweet and juicy as can be. Soon the sun begins to rest, painting skies in colors best. Tractor slow